Welcome to another unboxing. We have two Funko Universal Monsters Mystery Mini boxes from the Walgreens exclusive case to open. These are out in New Zealand now. Much like with most Funko Mystery Minis, this series is 1:6 ratio heavy. There are 4 1:6s, 2 1:12s, 2 1:24s, 2 1:36s, and 2 1:72s. But on to box 1. It's Frankenstein's monster.
It's alive. It's moving. It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. Oh, in the name of God. Now I know what it feels like to be God.
And box 2. It's... what the f***? So a double. Those 1:6 ratios ruining the joy of collecting for all the boys and girls. This series sees a continued improvement in sculpts. But with the standard case of these mostly just being colour variants, it's hard to not look past the fact several of these characters have appeared in series 1 through 3 of the Horror Classics series of Mystery Minis. But for now, that's all we have time for.
One man crazy, 3 very sane spectators.